Hello gang, Sky Pilot here again. Welcome to my channel. Today is lipo testing day on the Diatone Taycan here. I've got a 1550 Forest on the roof. Yeah, there's speculation that this won't fly with a 1550 Forest, but I beg to differ. She's bog stock standard, straight out the box, B&F specs, details down below. Check out my last videos of this unit up on the screen there. This thing is a cracker. I'm not going to run a camera on it as well, although I believe it'll probably handle it. I'm just going to see how it flies. She's as loud, so I'm glad there's no one here to complain. Okay, let's get up in the sky and have a fly of my favourite of all sine whoops. Okay, quick line of sight first. Oh, holy moly, yeah, loud. Oh, wow. Oh, my ears are ringing. Hell, that's loud. Okay. Get the VTX recording through my sky zones and let's fly this thing a little bit further away so that it doesn't burst my eardrums. Oh, it's windy. These things don't like the wind too much, so we shall have to be careful. Straight out of the box, guys, this thing is an awesome little thing to fly. I love it. Yeah, the VTX on this is terrific. The picture quality from this CADX is just second to none. And it's going to speed up now because I'm flying with the wind, which is really quite blowy here. Oh, I really don't want to crash this. Alright, let's see if we can hide around these trees here. Go for a bit of a speed run past us so we can hear it. Sounds like a jet fighter, this thing. Crikey, this thing's loud. I can't believe how loud this is. It's a cracker. Okay, let's see if we can scoot over onto the other oval without hitting those nets. Oh, it's windy. This thing really doesn't like the wind, guys. Let's get close to the ground here. I'm sure you guys will all agree I'm a long way away and I've hardly got any breakup from this VTX at all, guys. Absolutely fabulous. I expect I'll fail safe before anything. I'm miles away. Okay, here we go. Full steam ahead. Let's go up over the nets and back down again. This thing is great. This thing is fun as. Oh, yelp. There you go. So, yeah, can this fly with a 1550 on the roof? Oh, hell yeah. You betcha. Okay, I don't want this battery to go too low as I want to preserve it. Okay, let's head on back home. Of course, we drop these batteries too low, we can damage them. The Taycan. What a cracker. This is really loud. Let me know if you want to know anything about this little unit. Plenty more vids to come. Got an Orca I'm going to stick on the front shortly, so keep an eye out for that. And I'm also going to try some different props on here to see if we can suppress that noise a bit without it affecting too much of the performance. Great VTX range, solid stable unit, easy to fly. Beginner novices, yeah, knock yourself out. Fabulous. Thanks guys, take care, see you real soon, bye for now.